Hello friends, today is 11th December 2018 and this is Daily Current Affairs brought to you by Ekam IAS. And our topics are Major Ports of India, Democratic Republic of Congo, Khelo India Youth Games and the Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah, and our usual sessions Mapped Program and PQRS. And our very first topic is the Major Ports of India. This is in news because the India's 12 major ports has witnessed a growth of 4.83% in the case of cargo traffic. The major ports of India, we know that India has 12 major ports, and almost all of the major ports have witnessed a growth of around 4.83% in the cargo traffic. And the highest growth was registered by the Kamarajar port. Kamarajar port is previously named as the Ennore port. It's a private port in Tamil Nadu, followed by Cochin in Kerala, Paradeep, Kolkata and the Deen Dayal port. Deen Dayal port is the Kandla port and it is only the tidal port. So, the highest growth was registered to the Kamarajar port of the Tamil Nadu. The reason for the growth of Kamarajar port is the increase in the traffic of container, other liquids, thermal and steam coal. Thermal as well as steam coal. These are the reason for the growth of Kamarajar port in case of cargo traffic. And I already told you India have 12 major ports, and these 12 major ports constitute almost 61% of the country's entire cargo traffic. So, we need to focus on which are the 12 major ports of India. And the first port is you can locate these ports in the map. First port is the Deen Dayal port. It is in Gujarat. You can see it is also called as the Kandla port, and it is one of the tidal port, or it is only the tidal port in major tidal port in the India. Next port is the Mumbai port. It is in Maharashtra, and the third one is the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust. It is also in Maharashtra. Marmagaon port is in Goa, and New Mangalore port is in the Karnataka. Cochin port in Kerala. You can locate these places in the map. You can see Cochin port, and Chennai port. Chennai port is in Tamil Nadu. V.O. Chidambaram port or Tuticorin, or commonly we like to say it as Thoothukudi or Tuticorin, V.O. Chidambaram port, and that particular port is the southernmost port of the country. You can locate it is the southernmost major port of the country. And Visakhapatnam port, it is in Andhra Pradesh. Paradeep port in Odisha and the Kolkata port, including the Haldia, both are in the West Bengal. So these 12 are the major ports of India. You can locate these 12 ports in the map. And our next news is about the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is in news because recently a conflict has been developed in the Republic of Congo because of the presidential election. And nowadays Congo is very popular for a person, that is Denis Mukwege. Denis Mukwege is very popular from Congo because he got the Nobel Peace Prize for the previous year. Okay, and he along with the Nadia Murad shared the recent Nobel Prize for Peace. And Denis Mukwege is a native of Democratic Republic of Congo. So we need to focus on two persons or two entities. One is the Democratic Republic of Congo as well as the Denis Mukwege. And Democratic Republic of Congo is the southernmost country located in the Central Africa. You can see the map. It is the southernmost country located in the Central Africa. It is almost covered by or it is landlocked by some countries, and it also has a vent to the Atlantic Ocean. And it is covered by the Congo, Central African Republic, Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, and some other nations. And also it has a connection towards the Atlantic Ocean. And the previous name of the Democratic Republic of Congo is the Zaire. Z-A-I-R-E. Zaire is the previous name of the Democratic Republic of Congo. And it is considered as the second largest nation in Africa or country in Africa after the Algeria. So Algeria is the largest country in Africa. After Algeria, Democratic Republic of Congo, known by the alien name Zaire, is the second largest country in the Africa. And I already told you a person from Congo or a Congolese gynecologist, Denis Mukwege. Denis Mukwege got the Nobel Peace Prize in the year, shared with Nadia Murad. Denis Mukwege is a gynecologist as well as a pastor, and is mainly focused on the treatment of women who have been raped. And we can say Congo can be called as the rape capital of the world. because that much number of rape is being happened in Congo. And this Denis Mukwege is also considered as the world's leading expert on the repairing rape injuries. So, he is considered as a leading expert in repairing the rape injuries. So, Congo is in news because of the conflict in Congo regarding the presidential election. And in the recent, in yesterday, the Denis Mukwege also collected the Nobel Peace Prize. So, we need to correlate the two things, Congo as well as the Denis Mukwege. And our next news is about the Khelo India Youth Games. Khelo India Youth Games to be held in Pune in the January 9, 2019, in the next month or January 9, 2019. The main intention of this program is to revive the sports culture, in India at the grassroots level. The Khelo India is a kind of youth games or youth games. It will be held in the Pune, and the main intention is to revive the sports culture in the grassroots level. And the main organizer of the event or the organizer of the event is the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. The first edition of this Khelo India was held in the New Delhi, and this is the second time Khelo India Youth Games is conducting. And the first time it was in New Delhi, and the Khelo India Youth Games second edition is in Pune, which come outside the capital city. And in Khelo India Youth Games, you can participate in two sessions. One is the under 17, another is the under 21. In two sessions, you can participate. One is the under 17 and the under 21. And the specialty of this year's Khelo India is nothing but it allows the student from university as well as college to compete in the games. So, Khelo India Youth Games will be held in next month or January 2019. And the first time it is happening out of the capital city, it will be in Pune. And it is organized by the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. And the first edition was in New Delhi. It can be conducted in, or the students can participate in the two categories. One is under 17 and the other under 21. And our next news is about the Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya Dargah. And this is in news because a petition filed in the Delhi High Court in order to allow the entry of women into the sanctum of the Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya Dargah in New Delhi. You know that Sabrimala is a rising issue today, and now some people asked the Delhi High Court to allow the entry of women into the Dargah of New Delhi or Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah of New Delhi. And we also could correlate these things to the Sabrimala issue as well as the Shani Shignapur temple and also the Haji Ali Dargah in Mumbai. So, revise the topics: Sabrimala, Shani Shignapur temple and the Haji Ali Dargah. Now, some persons have wanted the court to allow the entry of women into the sanctum of the Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah. So, we need to focus on the Hazrat Nizamuddin or Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya Dargah. It is a mausoleum of the Sunni saint Khwaja Nizamuddin Auliya. It is a mausoleum of the Sunni saint Khwaja Muinuddin Auliya. It is situated in the Nizamuddin area of Delhi. And the railway station near to the particular place is Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. Once you go to Delhi, you can see the Dargah as well as the railway station. It is very popular, it is very common to visit the particular place. And this particular Dargah, Khwaja Nizamuddin Dargah or Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah is built by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq of the Tughlaq dynasty. And it is actually a tomb complex. It is actually a tomb complex in the Dargah. There are other three tombs of particular persons are there. One is the Amir Khusro, who is a poet. We know that. We know about Amir Khusro, as well as the Mughal princess of Jahanara Begum and the Inayat Khan. The tombs of these three persons are also there in the Dargah. That is the Amir Khusro, as well as the Jahanara Begum and Inayat Khan. And the Dargah is very popular for its Qawwali, that is the devotional music sessions of the particular Dargah. If you have seen the particular movie Rockstar, you can find a song in that movie, Kun Fayakun. It is shooted in the, or it represented the Nizamuddin Auliya as well as the Auliya's Dargah. And we need to learn about the Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya or Muhammad Nizamuddin Auliya. He was a Sufi saint of the Chishti order. We know other saints of Chishti order, and the popular among one is Hazrat Nizamuddin as well as Ajmer Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti al-Ajmeri. And who is a Sufi saint of the Chishti order of the Indian subcontinent. And who is also known as the Khwaja Muinuddin or Auliya is also known as the Hazrat Nizamuddin, and he considered stressed love as a mean of realizing God. He was born in the year 1238 or 12th century 38 in Badaun of Uttar Pradesh and passed away in the 1325. So, the news is regarding the entry of women into the sanctum of Dargah, and we learned about the Dargah and learned about the Muhammad Nizamuddin Auliya. And our next session is the mapped program. In mapped program, we have the Yantar shipyard of Russia. And in the INDRA, INDRA, Intra Navy 18. We know that Intra Navy 18 is the bilateral maritime exercise between India as well as Russia. In the particular maritime exercise, we decided or we declared a project 11356 frigate jointly by India as well as Russia. And project 11356 frigate is a class of guided missile frigate. Frigate is nothing but a warship. Guided missile warship designed and built by Russia for the Indian Navy. Russia will develop a warship or frigate for the Indian Navy, and it is named as the project 11356 frigate. And we declared the thing in the Indra Navy, that is India-Russia Naval Maritime Exercise in this particular year 2018. And the particular project 11356 will be built in the shipyard of Yantar. And this particular project will be built in the shipyard of Yantar, and we need to locate the Yantar. You can see Kaliningrad. You can see the Kaliningrad near to the Lithuania and the Poland. This Yantar shipyard is located in the Kaliningrad, and it can be said that it is located in the southeast non-freezing point of the Baltic Sea. You can see Baltic Sea there. Baltic Sea is there. Baltic Sea. And it is located, this particular Yantar shipyard is located in the southeast freezing, non-freezing point of the Baltic Sea. And Yantar is a shipbuilding yard which is located in the southeast non-freezing point of the Baltic Sea. The particular place is called the Kaliningrad. And an assignment to you, you people need to focus on the Baltic Sea and try to learn all the countries surrounding the Baltic Sea, because the countries surrounding seas are a potential UPSC question, and you can see a number of questions from the previous year regarding various seas and the neighboring nations. So, today's assignment is to focus on the countries who are surrounding the particular Baltic Sea. And today on map we discussed about the Kaliningrad or Yantar shipyard, in which the project 11356 frigate, it is a project for developing a warship for India, will be conducted or will be held, and this a part of the Russia will be building the particular warship, and it will hand over to the Indian Navy. And this particular warship will be built in the particular area Kaliningrad, in specifically Yantar shipyard. It is in the non-freezing southeastern point zone of the Baltic Sea. And our final session is the PQRS, and the question is from 2014 Prelims Environment portion. If you travel through the Himalayas, you are likely to see which of the following plants naturally growing there. 1 is oak, 2 rhododendron, 3 sandalwood. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1 and 2 only, B 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3 only. We know that oak as well as rhododendron both are part of the Himalayan ecosystem, or their natural habitat is Himalaya in India, or it is also found in this particular oak and rhododendron are found in the Himalayan region. But there arises a doubt in the case of sandalwood. Okay, there arises a doubt in the case of the sandalwood. According to NCERT, the sandalwood is found in the moist deciduous forest of the northeastern state as well as the foothills of Himalaya. Thus, sandalwood is also present in the Himalaya according to NCERT. So, thus arises a doubt. Option A is 1 and 2 only, and option D is 1, 2, 3. Which would be the answer? Okay, 1 and 2 only, 1, 2, 3. So, the answer may be A or D, because sandalwood is also found in the Himalaya. We may doubt the answer may be A or D, but there is no chance for doubt, because the UPSC unilaterally declared the answer as A by not considering the NCERT. So the answer is A. Do not have a confusion. You only see oak and rhododendron while you are walking through the Himalayas, and stop bothering about the sandalwood. And the option answer is A, 1 and 2 according to the UPSC. So thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. And for the detailed news and explanation, you can refer to the PDF which is available in the description section. Thank you so much. Good night.